Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So now you have to create the new migration project. Okay, yeah, you can see the last time we created the DMS service. Now you have to create the new migration project. So I selected the DMS. Inside the DMS, I selected the to create the new migration project. So I can give the name like MySQL to Azure MySQL. Okay, and the source would be MySQL. The target would be Azure MySQL, and we have to select the offline data migration. Okay, it would be the one-time activity to migrate the bulk of data. Okay, like the whatever the data is inside your source, that would be replicated to your destination. Source is MySQL. Just let me double check and confirm. Yeah, source is the MySQL, and the our target with the Azure MySQL, and I selected the offline data migration as we are doing the bulk of data migration, and it will be the one-time activity. Okay, but the real-time data migration we'll do in the different scenario. I mean the in the different video. Okay, so let me create and run the activity. So we have to define the IP of the our source, which we enabled the last time, to access the remotely, right? So that's the reason we enable the remotely access for the MySQL server. Okay, so you have to define the IP of the on-premise MySQL server. So let me go to the my VM and let me take the IP of the that VM, right? Because we have installed the MySQL on the particular VM only, right? So we have to make sure you have to take the public IP because the local IP or netted IP cannot be work here. Okay, so 10 series is the our local IP that it will not work, right? So you have to take the public IP only, which would be used for the external connectivity only. So let me go to the VM and let me find out the external IP. Okay, it is the external IP. Okay, public IP we require. Okay, so here it is not a giving option. Okay, let me go inside the VM and let me take the public IP here. Just let me copy that public IP. Okay, I just copied that public IP. Let me go here and let me put the public IP and the username password you can validate. Okay, make sure username would be correct and the password would be correct. It is validating whether my source is correct or not. It's checking the credential, the username and password. If it does not match, then it will fail. Then we have to revalidate and we have to enter the correct username and password here. So let's see whether it's getting validated or not. Yeah, it got failed. The reason behind it, I entered the password is correct. Okay, yeah, it seems yes, correct. It seems the password is correct, but my username is not the Azure SQL. Okay, my username is the root for the our source environment, which is the on-premise one. Okay, let me try again. Now it should be a success. Yeah, it got validated. Okay, because the at the time the user was wrongly I have given Azure SQL username I have given for the Azure MySQL server, right? But on premise it is root. So let me select the location, our MySQL, I think that is in a different location with the central India. Okay, let me select central India, and the resource script group name would be DMS, and the MySQL, the Azure MySQL name is Azure SQL, and the username is also Azure SQL, and the password let me define here, which I have entered earlier. If all the details are correct, then it will proceed. Otherwise, it will get failed. So yeah, you can see it got connected. And now it is asking like the what kind of databases you want to migrate, whether you want to migrate the entire server, or you want to migrate only the particular DB here. Okay, for the demo, I just need to source would be my DB. Only I need to migrate my DB. Okay, and the my DB same DB would be created in my target databases. Okay. Yeah, now it is asking like the whatever the tables are present inside that DB, you want to, it is asking whether you want to migrate all the tables or the particular table. As I have only one table, I just selected only one. And it is asking to enable the advanced migration settings. If you require, you can check and you can define. For the timing, it is not required for me, so I will skip it. Let me click on summary. In the summary page, it will give you all the details, like whatever the details you have given or filled inside, this migration wizard. It will give you the overview, and after that, you can just click and continue. And let me give an example, activity name like the MySQL offline. Okay, it would be MySQL hyphen offline. The space would be not acceptable, right? And before starting this migrations activity, let me connect the Azure MySQL, okay, so that we can see whether if there is an existing database or not, huh? So we can get confirm, right? So MyDB, I think that is not present in our target, but still we have to get confirm. So let me go to the Azure MySQL and let me connect it. Let me connect the MySQL console here. In order to connect it, it is asking to create the storage account to run the cloud shell. Okay, I think there is no any storage account. Let me create it. It will create automatic. You don't need to go storage account to create it. Okay, it will create it here. It seems it got created. Let me double check and let me go to the resource group. Yeah, it got created another one, RG new something. Resource group it created, and the storage name it got created automatic. Yeah, just need to give the file name. Storage name, okay, file name. Let me give like the file. Or if you have a existing storage account, you can select that. Otherwise, it will create automatic here. Okay. I think everyone know how to connect the cloud cell. Let me connect here. I think storage account has created at the same time, but it is taking some time to connect the cloud cell. So let me relaunch the cloud cell again. It will directly connect to the MySQL console. Okay, just wait. Yeah, you can see it's connecting to MySQL console. It is asking to enter the password. Let me enter the password of the Azure MySQL. Yeah, it connected now. You can see the MySQL console. Let me just check. Yeah, you can see the in the source databases there is no any MyDB. Okay, the MyDB would be created automatic while you start the migration activity. So I just started the migration activity. Yeah, it started now. Let me just verify. Yeah, you can see the MyDB created automatic, because it got migrated from the source to destination. Just let me use the MyDB. Let me use MyDB and let me see that table is present or not. So tables, yeah, you can see the my table got migrated. Huh? DMS persistent object is nothing because that is a part of the DMS project, migration service. Yeah, you can see also like the what of the data is present inside my existing table inside the source, that also migrated. Okay, so thank you guys. We will connect in the next session. Thank you.